Hello, we are Sales Tax and More.
Today, we're going to answer some FAQs about sales tax, specifically audits. Question 1. What red flags can trigger an audit? Some of the more recent issues are that many businesses can sometimes be conducting their tax practices incorrectly. When that happens, some businesses will be inclined to follow what the crowd is doing, even if a large majority of the industry is doing it wrong. Often, the state will proceed to target that industry as a whole. And usually, if a small to mid-sized company is involved, they're chosen for an audit based on a lottery. The state will especially target an industry when a law changes and now affects those companies. Question 2. What are some big things someone should be paying attention to? It is important for businesses to make sure they're not looking at what others in the industry are doing, but to research what the state wants companies to do. Whether outsourced or done in-house, businesses should research the relevant statutes, rules, and regulations. However, it's crucial that the research isn't conducted via artificial intelligence due to how much misinformation exists on the internet. Another thing that causes red flags for companies is paying late when doing returns, constantly amending returns, or using the wrong form. This can also happen if a business frequently asks for refunds or very large refunds. Question 3. How can someone be proactive when it comes to preparing for a sales tax audit? There's two situations that businesses should be prepared for. First, a company needs to have good processes in place to keep them prepared if an audit should come along. At Sales Tax and More, we have a webinar series that delves into these practices with topics ranging from exemption certificates to sales tax returns and much more. You can check out these webinars by visiting our website. With incorporating good practices, as we mentioned, it should keep a company prepared for an audit. It's important to note that this doesn't guarantee that a business will never be audited, because many are selected on a lottery basis. Second, a company needs to be concentrating on two areas: exemption certificates and resale certificates. These are the sources for some of the largest assessments when it comes to sales tax. A business can be prepared by paying attention to those two areas, dedicating people to handle them and make sure they utilize the correct resources, or hiring an outside company to keep the business compliant.
For more information and other free resources, including webinars, blogs, and podcasts, or any questions, you can reach out to us at salestaxandmore.com.